Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the Work Chat, where we talk about the real world skills, strategies, and mindsets that help you grow in your career. Today's topic, one that's on everyone's radar, but not always in the right way: AI and the future of work, and how to stay relevant no matter what changes next. Now, if you've been wondering, will AI take my job? Should I be learning to code? How do I stand out when automation is rising? This episode is for you, because here's the truth. AI won't replace everyone, but people who leverage AI, they just might replace those who don't. Let's break it all down. First off, let's talk about why AI is changing the game so fast. Artificial intelligence isn't just about ChatGPT, image generators, or self-driving cars. It's reshaping how work gets done, from automating reports and summarizing meetings to screening resumes and analyzing customer behavior. Jobs aren't disappearing overnight, but job descriptions are quietly evolving. Tasks that once took hours, AI tools now do in seconds. Here's what's key. The future belongs to those who know how to work with AI, not compete against it. So what AI can and cannot do? Let's clear the air. AI is excellent at automating repetitive rule-based tasks, analyzing large datasets, generating first drafts or summaries, and recognizing patterns at scale. But AI can't replace human judgment, emotional intelligence, creativity with nuance, ethical decision-making, or deep relationship building. So the most AI-proof careers will involve skills where humans shine: strategy, storytelling, coaching, leadership, design thinking, and emotional connection. That's good news, because you can build those skills starting today. You may ask, so how do I stay relevant? First, let's talk mindset. The fastest way to become obsolete is to fear change and resist learning. The best way to stay relevant: stay curious and adaptable. Ask yourself, what's one AI tool I could explore this week? What's one skill I could improve that AI can't replicate? Your willingness to evolve matters more than your job title. Whether you're in marketing, HR, finance, design, or operations, there are ways AI can enhance your role, not erase it. Second, build AI literacy, not just tech skills. You don't need to become an AI engineer to be future ready, but you do need AI literacy. That means understanding what AI tools exist in your industry, what they're capable of, and how to integrate them into your workflow. For examples, if you're in sales, try using AI to write emails or summarize client calls. If you're in marketing, use AI to generate content ideas or analyze SEO. If you're in project management, use tools that automate task updates or timelines. Learning how to use AI tools makes you more valuable. Not knowing them, that could make you invisible. Third, stack your skills for hybrid roles. Here's a secret. The future belongs to the hybrid worker. That means combining human-centered soft skills with smart use of digital tools. For example, a teacher who uses AI to personalize student learning paths, a recruiter who uses AI for screening but interviews with empathy, a manager who uses data dashboards but coaches like a human. The most in-demand roles in 2025 and beyond will be those that blend tech and people. Think digital strategist, AI operations analyst, data-informed marketer, or content curator with automation fluency. So look at your current skill set and ask, what tech layer can I add to what I already do well? Fourth, focus on irreplaceable human skills. Here's the truth. Technical tools will keep evolving, but your human edge is what makes you future-proof. Some of the most AI-resistant skills include critical thinking and decision-making, strategic communication, leadership and influence, conflict resolution, empathy and listening, and creativity and storytelling. Think of it this way. AI can write an email, but it can't navigate office politics. It can analyze data, but it doesn't know which story matters to your customer. So double down on the things AI can't do and let it handle the rest. Fifth, stay visible and valuable in remote workplaces. In a hybrid or remote workplace, it's easy to become just another name in Slack. AI is handling admin tasks, meetings are shrinking, attention spans are short. So how do you stand out? Well, it's important to be proactive. Don't wait to be assigned. Bring ideas. Share insights. Use AI-generated reports to highlight wins. Show impact. Connect your work to business outcomes. And finally, be human. Turn the camera on, check in, and support others. Your visibility is your responsibility, and people remember those who bring solutions, not just status updates. Sixth, reimagine your career path before you're forced to. Here's the hard truth. The future of work is not one job for life. It's a series of skills, projects, and reinventions. And that's okay. Start asking, if my role changes, what adjacent fields can I move into? What transferable skills do I already have? What would I do if I had to start over today? Upskilling doesn't have to mean going back to school. It might be a LinkedIn course on AI for your industry, a new certification in product thinking or data fluency, or building a digital portfolio or content series. Don't wait until change is forced on you. Choose it first. Seventh, lead the change. Don't just survive it. Whether you're an employee, manager, or executive, you have a choice. You can either wait for disruption to reach your doorstep or become the person who helps others navigate it. Great leaders in the AI era will create space for learning and experimentation, champion ethical AI use and transparency, and coach others through change with empathy. If you can be that person, you'll never be irrelevant. All right, it's time to recap. Here's how you stay relevant in the age of AI and automation. 1. Adopt a growth mindset. Be curious, not scared. 2. Build AI literacy. Learn what tools apply to your role. 3. Stack hybrid skills. Combine human and digital strengths. 4. Double down on soft skills because people still matter. 5. Stay visible, especially in remote and hybrid work. 6. Reimagine your path before you're forced to. And 7. Lead the change with empathy and adaptability. Remember, AI might change how we work, but your creativity, clarity, and character will always be your greatest assets. So start now. Pick one tool to try, one skill to upgrade, one mindset to adopt. The future isn't coming for your job, it's waiting for you to shape it. That's a wrap for today's episode. If you found this episode helpful, hit like and subscribe and leave a comment or share it with someone thinking about their future career. And hey, what's one way you're staying relevant in the age of AI? Let's keep the conversation going. See you in the next episode.